Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites quickly. Confirm the exchange supports Lightning and that your wallet can accept invoices. Once done, log in and go to the withdrawal page. Make sure KYC and limits are satisfied. Next, create a fresh Lightning invoice in your wallet for the exact amount you want to withdraw, including any fee cushion. Keep a note of network fees shown by the exchange, because mismatched amounts cause failures. Now copy the invoice and prepare to paste it on the exchange withdrawal form. With the invoice ready, paste it into the exchange's Lightning withdrawal field. Check the amount and memo for accuracy. Choose the speed option if available. Faster routes cost more because route selection affects success rate. Review the displayed fee and final amount you'll receive in your wallet. Make sure it matches your expectation. Then authorize with 2FA or withdrawal code and submit. After submission, watch the exchange status and your wallet for a settling payment. Most Lightning withdrawals settle within seconds to a few minutes. Once submitted, verify the payment appears in your Lightning wallet and that the exchange marks the withdrawal complete. If it does not arrive, first compare the invoice amount, fee taken, and expiry time. Expired or undersized invoices are common causes. If pending or failed, allow a few minutes for route discovery, then retry with a new invoice or higher fee. Finally, if automatic retries or retries by the exchange fail, contact support with the invoice, timestamps, and screenshots so they can investigate the route or liquidity issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.